Stay until the end of the video and subscribe and get your free travel packing list. Ever dreamed of trading your daily routine for a luxury escape in one of the world's most exclusive destinations? Today we're taking you on a virtual tour of Nujuma Ritz-Carlton Reserve in Saudi Arabia, where luxury meets the serene beauty of the Red Sea. Stick with us as we explore this magnificent oasis and reveal the secrets behind its allure. Let's embark on this journey into the heart of Saudi Arabia, a land renowned for its rich history and breathtaking landscapes. Our destination. The Nujuma Ritz-Carlton Reserve, often hailed as the most exclusive hotel in the region. Nestled along the stunning Red Sea coastline, the Nujuma Ritz-Carlton Reserve offers an unparalleled experience of tranquility and elegance. Each villa is a masterpiece, offering panoramic views of the azure waters and designed with a perfect blend of traditional Arabian aesthetics and modern luxury. Imagine waking up to the gentle sound of waves, sipping your morning coffee on a private terrace, and feeling the soothing sea breeze. Every room is not just accommodation, it's a sanctuary. As one of the most exclusive hotels in Saudi Arabia, Nujuma prioritizes privacy and personalized luxury. Each guest is treated to a personal concierge service, ensuring your experience is tailored to every need, whether it's a private beach dinner or an invigorating spa treatment. Speaking of spa treatments, the Ritz-Carlton Reserve offers a wellness retreat that blends ancient Arabian healing rituals with modern therapies. It's a perfect escape for rejuvenation. Now, let's talk about the investment for this piece of paradise. A night at Nujuma Ritz-Carlton is priced as one would expect for such exclusivity, starting around $2,000 USD. This price reflects the premium services, exquisite dining, and the overall unparalleled experience you'll receive. While it may seem steep, consider it an investment in unforgettable memories and unparalleled relaxation, something that many senior travelers find invaluable. Beyond luxury, Nujuma offers a window into the rich cultural tapestry of Saudi Arabia. Participate in excursions to nearby historical sites or indulge in authentic Saudi cuisine, expertly crafted by world-class chefs, using local ingredients that reflect the region's vibrant flavors. Whether it's a serene sunset cruise on the Red Sea or a guided tour through the historic lanes of Jeddah, each experience is crafted to connect you deeply with the spirit of this magnificent land. The Nujuma Ritz-Carlton Reserve is more than just a place to stay. It's a celebration of life's finest luxuries. For those seeking a profound escape, this destination offers a rare blend of tranquility, cultural richness, and modern indulgence. If you enjoyed this glimpse into one of the world's most exclusive escapes, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tours of breathtaking destinations. We'd love to take you on many more adventures from the comfort of your home.